And sir, in the winter season is going on, and how is the weather over there in Jammu Kashmir? You are from Jammu Kashmir,
Yeah. I am from Jammu Kashmir, but my valley is Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Yeah.
And how is the weather? Maybe it is so cold.
Yeah, it is so cold. Everything is freezing outside there. Here.
Yes. And what is the temperature right now?
It is minus, 2 degrees in my
Minus
area. Yeah.
-2 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Oh, mm. I don't know. Uh, I will stay over there or not in this
No,
situation.
actually, yeah. Actually, here is we are, the traditional methods to use here, and
Mm.
we will do. It is our geography, and we survive here easily.
Yes. Yeah. And sir, you are a teacher, and it is holiday today.
Yeah. Our, the government has announced recently, the winter vacation.
Mm.
I teach the students in our room right now, and I should, saw your message and text, then I reply, and I think about it is very soon, and I will to try to talk with you, and I am very glad because I had already to text to you. You will send me the the number and you.
Yes, you are right. And sir, yeah, right now the winter season is going on, and the government has taken the decision for living from over there in your
Winter
state.
vacation, winter vacation.
But
We have.
in our state, there is no winter vacation. Only summer vacation is available in our state.
Yes, we are facing the problems. We our students has to be facing different problems in different seasons, and
Yes,
like sometime we have to hear flood situation. Our students, to lose learning process and teachers teaching process, and we should never to take the benefits online classes, and now I use different methods, but my students they are not interested. I had already to different methods to use for the students, but some students to participate, and some has to be uh, you know uh, they have never to phone, and they never to use this kind of goods, and to take the benefits, and I had already to install Wayground application, Canvas, and Kahoot.
oh,
These
yeah.
applications I had already to install to give some the lessons through this process of the tools, and as the student learn very well.
Yes. Yeah, nowadays this social media is available. Yeah, there is no problem. Always staying at your home, you can learn. You can learn anything.
Yeah. Actually, I had to use laptop several months ago, and my friends, he has to told me that you have already to laptop at your home, and you should not to use it. But I think about, I had I have I have a laptop, but I not to use it. Nowadays, I will to try in myself, and I had to, you know, to learn so many things on these, applications, and I think about government is not succeed because they have planned very well, but we will never to uh, communicate and we should never to try. We should never to support government, the plans, and that is the reason our education policy is day by day to weak and never to flourish uh, to same other countries.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, it is happening. It is happening. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. And nowadays, winter vacation is going on in your state, and maybe you are free right now. But how is your practice going on?
Yeah, actually, still, I am not going to practice, any conversation, any kind of conversation. But um, recently, my missus and my childrens, they are go to Umrah, and I am busy here for a long time. We are preparing for all the things to manage, and because her luggage is very uh, loaded, and so far we will to try manage all the things in her luggage.
Yes, yes. Yeah, that's why also you are free. That's why also you tried to so many times with me, for connecting with me. Yeah, I noticed that you, in the morning time you called with me, but but at that time I was very busy. Yeah, actually yesterday I went to the night duty, and after completing the night duty, I came back home around 7:30 a.m. After that I get fresh. After that I take my breakfast. Yeah, and after that also take the time to you, and around 10:30 a.m. I will connect with you.
Yeah, I also to here free, but I think about I will to try to visit in different parts of India, and
Yeah,
I think about that, but not to uh, plan. I had to mad, and I will to try very soon. I will to visit in different friends to meet in different states, and because we want to upload some videos regarding the Kashmir, and regarding in our India, because unemployment is increasing.
yes,
Because we should never to try with himself and to do anything in our fields like agriculture. There has to be several work in different ways, and we should our employment is decreasing, because the reason is
yes, yes,
that we should take the benefits uh, comfortable, and so people like a luxurious life.
yes, yes. Yeah, in your site of in Jammu Kashmir, there are so many places are famous over there, and you can make the blog video over there. Yeah, and it is also good. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. Nowadays, you are free, and every single day, how many videos do you make?
No, actually, I don't make any video regarding any vlog to make, but I think about I will to try. I had already to install YouTube channel, but
Oh
still
yeah,
I have never to upload any video. But I want to change the profile, because uh, the profile is different from my topic, and I will to try in different ways. I want to go different ways, because I want to awareness and to give the information to the whole and general public, and how can you create the employment, and how can you generate, and day by day our employment is decreasing, and decline. So far the people not interested to himself to work, and how can you work, and how can you get the profit as monthly, and
yeah,
there is difference between which unemployment and employment. Huge population thinking about that. We will to get government jobs. There is a difference between government job is always to take the machines, and also the technology is developed, and
Yes, yes,
day by day, we will to find every place there has to be a machine, there has to be a technology, and the human resources is decline, and as well as our um, uh, you know uh, artificial intelligence uh,
yes,
take the place of the human beings. I heard about in different countries. uh, Recently, one person he has to call me uh, in other countries like Vietnam, and one from Indonesia, and another person he is also same thinking, and same the problems in all around the world has to be
yes.
faced. Yeah, how weather is there, and how temperature is there, because our
Yeah,
in
yeah. The winter season is going on. It is very, it is so cold, and in the morning, right now the temperature is 20 or 21 degrees Celsius. But in the morning time, it was so cold, around 14 degrees Celsius.
which is the famous in your the state, they are the place.
Place. Yeah, in
Yeah,
my state there are so many places are famous. Kolkata is the capital in our state, you know very well. And in Kolkata, Howrah Beach is the famous, because in this beach, there is no pillar in this beach, and there are so many temple over there. Uh, and if I go to the Murshidabad district, there are so many places, historical places over there. And if I go to the north and south, Darjeeling, and over there are so many tourist places. Yeah.
yeah, actually I heard about the Darjeeling place. There is a little mountain.
Yeah, yeah. In Darjeeling, there are it is so cold right now, and there is a toy train. It is famous in Darjeeling.
Yeah, there the tea is available.
Yeah, yeah. Tea is available. Darjeeling or Assam, over there, tea is
Yeah,
available. There is a tea
yes, yes,
garden.
I
There
heard
are so
about.
many tea garden over there.
Yeah, yeah, it is historical famous is Darjeeling, because in Mughal rule there there has been to be, there had been to be, famous, and when the people in Murshidabad, during the independence, before the people are stay there for a long time.
Yes, yes,
Most of Urdu poetries.
yes. And Kolkata is right now capital of our state. And as far as I remember, in 1911, yeah, 1911, before 1911, Kolkata was the capital of our country.
Yeah, yeah.
After 1911, it has been changed to Delhi.
Yes, I heard about. I had to, never to read, but I heard it.
And sir, you are from Jammu Kashmir, and nowadays, what is the capital of your state?
There has to be two capital.
Yeah, I know,
One
I know
from
very well. There are two
one
capitals.
is Srinagar, and another is Jammu.
Yeah, but in the winter season, maybe Jammu is the capital, or Srinagar.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, people to move because the here is winter
Mm.
is too crucial and harsh. Actually, it is English word is brutal. Yeah,
Yes,
here is everything to shrink.
yes, yes, yes.
You will
Sir, I would like to ask one question to you right now. You are a teacher. You are teaching in a school, and in which subject do you teach? Do you teach English subject?
yes, yes, I teach English, but uh, as you are a teacher, you teach everything. When you have to be need, as you utilize the service according the need of the school.
Yes,
Sometime you should be involved in math, you should be involved in Urdu and
Yeah,
different languages we have to uh, here to learn. And our Kashmiri is very tough and very tough, and it can not easily to write down.
yes, yes. And so you teach English subject in the school, and do you speak with your student in English?
Yes, yes, I speak in English. In our students, they give good reinforcement, and also they learn very well.
Yes,
But
yes,
earlier stage they have to miss the classes. Actually, uh, first standard students, they are to learn, the basic rules of the English,
yes,
the parts of speech and sentence. There are the folks in early stage. But
yes,
when I teach, the ninth and 10th classes, they are the students. They have been never to heard any, the difference of the noun and how many kinds of noun. And I heard I when I teach the students 15 types, 15 types of the noun. And they told me, how 15 types of noun? I say
yes,
yes. That is the difference between. And I told it in when I teach, and they shock. And there is difference for everyone. Every teacher give the 100%, but still sometime they miss the classes, and students are absent. And these things will be happening all the time, because government rule is a soft rule. And you can't to give the punishment any student.
yes, yes. You are right. Yeah, and I would like to ask one question to you. And do you teach to the student passive voice in English? Passive voice?
Yes, yes. I teach the students passive wise, active wise, direct, indirect, and also there's a big backbone. Everyone says that um, you know tense is the backbone of the English. And I told you that it is wrong. English is tense is easy.
Yes,
Uh, to understand. It has only to different ways of to learn. And it has different methods. And we teach the students tense. They understand easily, they to practice easily. But when I teach the students pronoun, there has to be different types of pronoun: relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun. And there are different progressive pronoun and possessive pronoun. uh, they heard about it, but they can't understand. They
yes,
can't understand easily. And I think about it is very very important part of our English, when we teach the students. And they must to learn these things. This is the uh, you know uh, every wire to use these things apply for. And their rules has to be different.
yes, yes. Okay, sir. We are talking around 20 minutes. Yeah, yeah. It was a nice conversation with you. You are also speaking English very well, and I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, sir. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thanks, thanks, thanks.
Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.